Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to download Epic Unreal Engine 5.7. So you do need the Epic Launcher, which is for their games, their software, and a few other little things. But if you don't have that, make sure you go to unrealengine.com, log in, download, and then it'll take you to the launcher, which will start automatically launching. Stop it. And once it is downloaded, you're going to open the launcher. On the left side is your navigation, so that's the store page, the library of your games and stuff. And then Unreal Engine has its own little library here, which has all the engines that I do not have downloaded. So we are going to click, it should automatically bring up the newest one, which is 5.7.4, and click install. I don't want a shortcut, and you can do all your options. If you know you're building for a certain platform, you can download that now. If not, I would wait till later. Templates and features packs, I would go ahead and download. It's only 1 gig. Well, it depends on how much stuff you have in storage, but hit apply, install,